I think you should be a little more scared of me.
Who gave you the parcha? Shera.
कैसे किया ये?
What I do is an art form, but what you experience is magic. The moment you reveal the trick, they are not going to be impressed.
तो ये शुरू कैसे हुआ?
I was watching magic on television when I was 6 years old. I didn't just want to watch more magic, I wanted to be that magician. पैंडेमिक था तो हमारे पास लाइव शोज नहीं थे, तो मेरे को तो आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस हो गया था भाई कि अब मैं क्या करूंगी, कि मैंने तो जीवन भर शोज किए. Like I remember my first person that I said that hey I'd like to do something with you. In Bombay it was, and then when I went to Delhi I think it was, तो मुझे पता चला था स्टोरी के इतने पैसे. I thought at one point felt it's illegal. मैं बहुत कम्युनिटी के अगेंस्ट थी and I want to correct myself today publicly.
Do you know what my next question is going to be?
Do you know your next question?
I know my next question.
Give me your hand. Guys, it's magic happening, guys.
I've seen a lot of your work on YouTube.
Yeah.
In fact, I've also seen कि आप जो collaborations लोगों के साथ करते हो, whether it's celebrities or anything, I can see fear.
Oh God.
Unknown is scary, right?
Yeah.
And you don't know. Being a mentalist, everyone gets scared कि मेरे दिमाग में घुस जाएगी, क्या-क्या बोलेगी. So do you actually get people fear you?
A few I feel are fearful, but others who know the art form and who know me, उनको पता है सुहानी से क्या ही डरना. I think people should be a little more scared of me.
Oh, should be?
Yeah, I think I should bring up a little personality where they're like, थोड़ा तो डरो यार, मैं तुम्हारा mind read कर सकती हूँ.
Okay, I'm going to throw some years at you and tell me Sohani what she was doing, how her relationship with money was, what were the challenges during that time, professional, personal. Okay, 97, your first show.
She was standing backstage and the show was about to start. And I know मुझे आगे जाना है, मुझे 5 steps ऐसे लेने हैं, फिर मुझे 5 steps left में लेने हैं. You know what you have to do, just do that.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, 10 साल बाद now Sohani is around 18 years old.
This is that time जहाँ मैं शहर से शहर टूर कर रही थी. Conventional shows, troupe. मुझे पता था किसकी क्या सैलरीज है, किसका क्या है, कौन ज्यादा हाई पेइंग एम्प्लॉयर है, कौन एम्प्लॉय है, कौन कम है.
ये पता था प्रॉफिट कितना बन रहा है सब.
या बाय 18 आई न्यू हर शो में मुझे कितने टिकट सेल्स हो रहे हैं, हर दिन का हिसाब होता था. तो पापा और मम्मी बैठ के हिसाब करना पड़ता था. मैं मम्मी के साथ बैठती थी क्योंकि मम्मी पेपर में लिख रही होती थी, फिर थोड़ा उनका कुछ अनबन होता था. ऐसा नहीं ऐसा है ना, लव ऑल दैट. हिसाब मिलना चाहिए.
Money that time?
No. क्या खर्चा होगा मुझे बताओ. As an 18-year-old who's living in a troupe and who's traveling and performing shows, गाड़ी है, ड्राइवर है, असिस्टेंट है मेरे आसपास, मुझे सब कुछ मिल रहा है पूरे दिन में. मैं पैसा लेके क्या, मैं घुमा दूंगी.
And then cut to 7 years later when you're around 25 years old.
Yeah, so that's where life changed. Reality hit in a way where like, oh, parents सब कुछ नहीं करने वाले lifetime. So I moved out. My parents were like, this girl has to move. My brother was very adamant कि इसको दुनिया देखनी है, इसको लग रहा है ये बहुत popular हो गई है, इसको लगता है ये सब जानती है, but she needs to go out and see the world. And I'm very grateful to my brother because वो बहुत कम समय पे मेरी life में interfere करता है, but जब करता है तो मेरी जिंदगी बदल देता है.
Very good. Post 27?
Then ऐसा था यार, महीने का 5 लाख कमा लेना, सारा खर्चा निकल जाएगा.
वो था तब 2018 में.
This is 2018 के महीने का 5 लाख कमा लो ना, set. Now life takes turn.
Oh
like,
my God.
And then that happened and I was happy.
Yeah.
Okay, so 27 पे ये पहली बार money का understanding आया. Of course, then slowly and gradually things changed.
Yeah.
Pandemic हो गया उसके बाद, 1 साल बाद तो फिर I was doing internet पे शुरू कर दिया वही चीज.
But फिर brands आने लगे.
फिर brands आने लग गए. फिर आपको मुझे पता चला था स्टोरी के इतने पैसे. I thought at one point felt it's illegal. मेहनत करने से ही पैसा मिलता है, बिना मेहनत के पैसा नहीं मिलता. It is a primary deep rooted thought. बट फिर सडनली आपको कोई बोलता है आपको ये स्टोरी डालनी है और आपको इसके इतना पैसा मिलने वाला है, एंड तुमने मुझे ये आर्टवर्क भेजा, मुझे स्टोरी बनानी भी नहीं है,
हाँ.
मुझे खाली पोस्ट करनी है.
मेरी भी सेम मेंटालिटी थी. एंड आई वुड आल्सो क्वेश्चन दैट आई वोंट चार्ज, आप कुछ रिपोस्ट
दे दो,
मैं कर लूंगी. बट देन समबडी टोल्ड मी साहिबा दैट 8 years you have taken to reach a certain reach, a following. वो जो मेहनत लगी है और तुम्हारी जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बनी है उसके पैसे दे.
करेक्ट.
Your entire journey in terms of money has completely changed.
My mother tells me इसको पैसा नहीं समझ पड़ता था क्या, like till 27 I did not know how to get into an ATM like room, and now I am the one is like मेरी जितनी भी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स होगी ना, I'm like तू इतना कमा रही है ना, ठीक है अभी मैं तेरा ये शुरू करवा रही हूँ, तेरा ऐसा भी शुरू हो रहा है, तू ये कर रही
Feeling is
है.
very rewarding also, no, personally.
Dude, I feel like from the time I have known my money, my confidence has increased, my decision making has gotten better, I enjoy my life better.
Better. And that clarity, that ease is also there.
Yes.
You started magic at a very, very young age. तो ये शुरू कैसे हुआ? जादूगरनी जैसे कहते हैं. How did you become Sahani Shah?
I love the word you use, Jadugarni.
Yeah.
Thank you for that. I was watching magic on television when I was 6 years old.
कौन सा show?
I think it was Kelal, Jadugar Kelal का show था. Very fascinated by it. To a point, I didn't just want to watch more magic. I wanted to be that magician.
Oh.
So I remember walking up to my father and telling him, "Papa, मुझे जादू करना है."
And पापा को कोई लेना देना नहीं था इससे.
Papa's like, जा जाके पढ़ाई कर.
As any normal papa would do.
Exactly. I've got normal parents, guys.
Yeah.
But I did something which they tell me that convinced them.
You remember what you did?
It was a blindfold act. किचन से मम्मी से वो रोटी बनाने का आटा लिया, पापा का ऐसे हैंकरचिफ लिया, और वो घर पे स्लेट्स और चॉक्स थी जब हम छोटे थे. मैंने उनको बोला आप कुछ भी लिखो, फिर मैं वही चीज उल्टा करके स्लेट लिख देती थी, blindfolded. And my father would write in Gujarati, तब तो मुझे समझ भी नहीं पड़ता था. Then I would write that, and that they were very shocked.
Yeah.
They were shocked for 2 reasons. One, because I was writing blindfolded, and 2, because I was writing. I was 6 years old.
You were writing.
ये लिख कैसे रही है? इसको तो लिखना ही नहीं आता. But I was sick. I was very young.
Yeah. Yeah, I do believe in magic. Everyone keeps asking, is magic real or not? I don't want to know the answer because I believe in it.
No, I truly believe in magic.
I don't think that's real. That could be the 10-year-old cyber talking. But when people ask you, Sahani, is magic real or not? Do you have like a blanket statement?
Magic has to be real. But it depends on what kind of magic you're asking.
Acha.
What I do is an art form.
Yeah.
But what you experience is magic. So there's a difference in
Nicely said.
what I will perform for me is an art form because I know the method behind it.
Yeah, maybe then that's why I feel like magic is real, because when I experience it, the joy that I get and jo 2 minute ka mera what the hell just happened hota hai, that feeling I don't want to decode.
Exactly. When people ask me what is magic for me, अभी जो हम है ना, ये मैजिक है. और पता है शाम को रात को जब आप घर जाओगे ना, तब आपको सब याद आएगा कि आप क्या नहीं हो.
हाँ.
ठीक है, आपकी वल्नरेबिलिटीज आपको दिखाई देगी, आपकी लाइफ में किस चीज की कमी है आपको पता चलेगी, किस दोस्त से क्या झगड़ा हुआ है, मम्मी ने उस वक्त ऐसा क्यों बोला मुझे. जब हम रात को जाते हैं ना, तो हमको सब वो रियलाइज होता है कि हम क्या नहीं है. वो हमारा बैक स्टेज है. अंधेरा है, कौन गिर गया, किसको
Problems क्या हुआ था, क्या ठीक हुआ था, वो discussion.
And I always tell this to people
Great analogy.
that only show your front stage to the world. Only show, because that is the magic.
Yeah.
Backstage is the trick. The moment you reveal the trick, they are not going to be impressed.
Yeah.
They will not like you.
That's the only time you get applauded, when you're on stage in front
Exactly.
of everyone. Yeah.
अगर कुछ बिगड़ेगा तो थोड़ी लोग तालियां
Backstage के लिए
बजाएंगे.
कभी तालियां बजती? I actually didn't know you dropped out of school.
Oh, right. First standard. At the age of 7. So here's how it happened. At 6, I told them I want to do magic. 8 months, we booked an auditorium, props, choreographers, set up huge because now they want me to do a big show. एक कारवा चल रहा है, तो उन सबका भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट है. अगर मैं बंद कर दूं 3 महीने, तो पहली बात तो उनका क्या होगा इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन. मोमेंटम एक बार छूट गया, सब अपने अपने दुनिया में चले गए. टू गेट एवरीथिंग टुगेदर इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो सस्टेनेबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम आ गई थी क्योंकि हर बार मेरे को एग्जाम के लिए छोड़ना पड़ रहा था 3 महीने. एंड देन वी रियलाइज के nothing will be sustainable. पढ़ाई भी अफेक्ट होगी, ये भी होगा. So need to take a call. So we spoke to the principal of my school. बहुत टेस्ट वेस्ट दिलवाए गए मुझसे, IQ टेस्ट, ये टेस्ट, just to see if I'm really capable
Of doing
to,
this.
you know, quitting school and then still having the sense of gaining knowledge by world matters and stuff like
Yeah.
that. It all went very well. Like पापा का तो बहुत सिंपल था. पापा सेड या तो मेरी बच्ची 60 बच्चों के साथ एक क्लास में बैठेगी या 60,000 लोगों के सामने परफॉर्म करेगी. तो उनका डिसीजन क्लियर है, ये तो परफॉर्म कर रही है. मैं मदर का जो पर्सपेक्टिव था, व्हिच आई फील इज होल्ड्स वैल्यू इवन टुडे, इज कि जिस बच्चे को सीखना है वो कहीं से भी सीख जाएगा.
अच्छा.
जिसको नहीं सीखना ना, आप उनको बेस्ट स्कूल में डाल दो, वो फेल हो जाएगा. तो अगर मेरी बेटी को सीखना है तो ये कहीं से भी सीख लेगी.
तो आपका मेंटर कौन था उस टाइम as a kid, because obviously your parents were not from this field?
It was very difficult to get a mentor by the way in that time. पहले मैं बहुत कम्युनिटी के अगेंस्ट थी, and I want to correct myself today publicly. ठीक है. When I was growing up, I remember meeting some of very famous magicians of that time. My father took me there, made me meet them, just like blessings, आशीर्वाद के लिए कि हम ये कर रहे हैं, आपका support होगा तो अच्छा होगा and all of that. And they spoke to me really well. I was 7, but मेरे father को they said कि इसको मत कराओ magic. It's not good for her. And my dad was very surprised कि यार ये तो बहुत discourage कर रहे हैं. And then I used to do this act of blindfold that I told you. So like वो तो बिल्कुल भी मत करो because apparently we thought that he's the only one doing it, तो इसलिए मुझसे बोल रहे मना. I grew up thinking that the community में लोग supportive नहीं है. But today, I look back and if somebody comes to me, a 7-year-old can tell me, and I think I'll be very similar.
सारे जो magicians हैं उनके acts इतने solid खुद के लिए होते हैं that if they teach, then they're letting part of themselves and their livelihood go. ऐसा होता है?
There's more to it.
अच्छा.
How I look at it, कि basic principles of magic are very less. Appearing, disappearing, levitating, teleporting, like basics है. Even in mentalism, reading, influencing, retrieving information, there are basics उतने ही हैं. Every magician uses these basic principles and creates their own presentations and routines and then presents them to the audience. One, I feel people should not reveal magic is because we didn't create it. It is all borrowed. When I don't create something, I don't think I have a right to reveal it. अगर मेरा कोई act जो मैंने बनाया है और उसको मुझे बेचना है, then it's my decision.
Right.
Correct. Second, when I reveal a magic act, I just don't reveal how I do something. I reveal of how every magician in the world does that bit.
But does that put you into trouble?
It's not about whether it puts me into trouble or not. It's just that it's not right. Irrespective, I wouldn't want to do that myself to ruin an art form or ruin an act for magicians all over the world.
Fair enough.
And thirdly, I ruin the magic for people.
Yeah.
And that for me is most important.
Do you know what I'm going to ask you? Because I know you can predict the next question.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you, do you know what my next question is going to be?
Do you know your next question?
I know my next question.
Yeah, because it needs to be in your mind for me to know your next question.
It's in my mind. I'm thinking.
Guys,
about
it's magic happening, guys. Give me your hand.
it. Yeah.
Okay, ask it in your mind. Properly ask.
Achha.
Ask properly. Like now I know it, but you ask properly.
Okay.
Okay. So things work very differently with me.
Okay.
Okay? I don't do a job. I am an artist. So I don't get paychecks.
Honey. Guys, she said the word paycheck. My question was if she remembers her first paycheck. You're amazing. Answer the question. Do you remember, okay, not your first paycheck, but your first earning?
नहीं याद है. I think, as I mentioned, 8 years ago, I got my first contract to be in Bombay for 3 months. I think that was the first payment I must have gotten for my shows for 3 months. I have no idea what that was. I need to ask my father for it.
Let's talk about Magic in specific, who's doing live shows. और आप इंडिया में एक popular face बन गए हो and you're selling tickets. And ऐसे काफी 2-3 लोग हैं जो करते हैं at scale.
Yeah.
What is the range of income one can expect?
From live shows?
From
ticketed
live shows, yeah.
It depends on how many you do it. Honestly, there is a good income there. I can't give you a number because
Not a number,
मतलब क्या होता है समझो कि अगर आप एक 40 सीटर कर रहे हो और आप एक 100 सीटर कर रहे हो और आप एक 1000 सीटर कर रहे हो, it's going to be very different, no? What you earn and what are you putting your tickets as and how many number of shows you're doing.
Right.
And in today's time आपको टिकट सेल्स भी मिल रहे हैं, अगर आप अच्छे हो तो आपको ब्रांड डील्स भी मिल रही है, अगर आप और अच्छे हो तो आपको आप यूट्यूब कंटेंट बना रहे हो तो आपको यूट्यूब से भी मिल रहा है, एड रेवेन्यू भी है. तो now it is up to an artist.
You are a magician, but you also are considered a YouTuber. You're also considered a content creator, जो आपके spillover professions बन जाते हैं.
Correct.
If I have to ask you between your professions, which is most lucrative in terms of income for you?
The one I focus on.
Magic.
No, it can be any. That's what.
अच्छा, at the
जिस
time
पे
when you
मैंने
focus-
ज्यादा फोकस दिया है मेरे लिए, like if पैंडेमिक था तो हमारे पास लाइव शोज नहीं थे तो मेरे को तो आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस हो गया था भाई कि अब मैं क्या करूंगी कि मैंने तो जीवन भर शोज किए. And that is time I got introduced to YouTube and Instagram world in terms of कि that is a way to firstly express and put your art out and also to earn. तो जब मैंने उस पे ध्यान दिया 3 महीने 4 महीने एक बार, एंड देन यू रियलाइज ओ दिस इज एन इनकम सोर्स, एंड आई गॉट वेरी गुड पीपल टू सपोर्ट मी, लाइक द क्रिएटर कम्युनिटी ने आके मुझे जो चीजें सिखाई और समझाई उस समय पे, आई वाज वेरी न्यू,
आप
एंड
बहुत कोलैबोरेशंस भी कर रहे थे उस टाइम,
everybody is so kind,
बहुत वेलकमिंग कम्युनिटी,
very welcoming. Like I remember my first person that I said that hey I'd like to do something with you. In Bombay it was Mythpat. ये मेरे घर पे आ गया ड्राइव करके, चल बनाते हैं, and I'm like wow.
अरे वाह.
And then when I went to Delhi, I think it was Tech Burner Shlok. And again he came to pick me up and like चलो बनाते हैं, and I'm like oh wow, these people are so nice.
Yeah.
And then I realized कि community is very supportive. It is very nice. So जब मैं पूरा कंटेंट क्रिएशन पे ध्यान दे रही हूँ, जब मैं पूरा यूट्यूब पे ध्यान दे रही हूँ, इंस्टाग्राम पे ध्यान दे रही हूँ, तो ऑटोमेटिकली जब मैं इतना ज्यादा कंटेंट जनरेट कर रही हूँ, ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी विजिबिलिटी बढ़ रही है, विजिबिलिटी बढ़ रही है मतलब ग्रोथ है मतलब ब्रांड्स है.
पहला शो है, मैंने पहले कभी परफॉर्म नहीं किया. Should I quote them 10,000 or should I quote someone 1 lakh?
I feel you should always start with a decent pricing because आपको किसको जरूरत है अभी. अगर मुझे जरूरत है तो I will do it at a price which shows कि मुझे जरूरत है ना. I remember when I moved to Bombay in 2017-18 मेरे वीडियोस वायरल हो गए थे और मुझे बहुत सारे कॉल्स आने लग गए थे. I told my best friend प्लीज मेरी मैनेजर बन जा. फर्स्ट फ्यू कॉल्स में मैं भी साथ में आ जाऊंगी तेरे को समझाने के लिए क्या जवाब देने, बाद में तू हैंडल कर लेना. एंड आई टोल्ड ये मेरा बेस प्राइस है, इसके ऊपर तो जितने भी बेच सकती है शो बेचते हैं, एंड आई विल गो एंड परफॉर्म. तो बस वही, तुमको खुद पे इतना भरोसा होना चाहिए, मुझे बस यहाँ पहुंचना है. एक बार उन्होंने मुझे देख लिया ना फिर तो खत्म है.
How do you spend? Who are you spending on? What is आपके cost क्या है?
So I think the first thing I did once I realized I have money, which is more than hand to mouth. Again, गुजराती मारवाड़ी फैमिली, तो I first figure out कि मेरे घर में रईस लोग कितने हैं, और बहुत है because मारवाड़ीज, and I called them up. लेकिन अगर मेरे जीजू से मिली हूँ, and I realized जीजू के पास बहुत प्रॉपर्टीज है, जीजू ये, तो I call up my जीजू and मतलब बैठो मुझे थोड़ा समझाओ
कि क्या करूं पैसे,
कि आप करते क्या, अरे आप क्या करते हो पैसों का, किधर किधर क्या क्या करते हो. And I convinced them that I need to know. Then I meet another फूफा of mine. And then I understood, अच्छा वो भी रईस वाले फूफा है ना, तो अब उनके पास जाते हैं, जिनके पास है पैसा उनसे सीखना था मुझे. And trust me, that has helped me. उनसे सीखा कि आपने क्या क्या किया. Then the first person I contacted in the creator community, तन्मय भट्ट. तन्मय, please tell me क्या कर रहे हो पैसे का. He's
great with money.
I was very surprised because I thought he'll be very like ऐसा about money. He is so conventional about money. And he taught me बहुत value करना है पैसे का. एक एक रुपए का तेरे पास हिसाब आना चाहिए.
He's told me one thing, save. Save.
Yeah, he's very conventional about his money and I love it. उसने मुझे बोला बचा के रख. तू कितना भी काम करी ना, तू 3 साल अगर कोई काम नहीं करेगी उतना बचा के रख पहले, कि तेरा जो भी खर्चा है मल्टीप्लाई इट इनटू 12 व्हिच इज योर 1 ईयर, देन मल्टीप्लाई इनटू 3. अब तुझे इतना पहले साइड पे रख देना है. एंड आई एम लाइक ओह वाओ, ही लिटरली मेड एन एक्सेल शीट, शेयर इट विद मी ऑन Zoom. लाइक तू अभी, तेरे पास अभी टाइम है? मैंने कहा नहीं अभी नहीं, तू अभी आ. एंड देन आई वेंट ऑन इट एंड इन लाइक 15 मिनट्स जो क्लैरिटी तन्मय भट्ट ने मुझे दी है, एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू इट. आई डोंट थिंक इवन रिमेंबर्स इट.
He told you कि सेव करना है.
He explained to me कि SIP में कैसे जा सकता है, इधर कैसे जा, तुम्हारा प्ले मनी क्या होता है. सो हाउ मच एवर यू अर्न मंथली के तेरा 10% तू निकाल, ये तेरा प्ले मनी है. तो ये तू तेरे स्टार्टअप्स पे इन्वेस्ट कर, तेरे क्रिप्टो पे डाल, बिकॉज दिस इज अ मनी यू नो यू कैन अफोर्ड लूजिंग ऑल्सो, बट इफ यू विन, इफ यू अर्न आउट ऑफ इट विल बी ग्रेट. बट तेरा सेक्शन इससे ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, फिर तेरा इतना है जो तुझे तेरे सेविंग्स में डालना, जो अगर तेरा SIP हो गया, तेरा जो भी देखो अलग अलग तरीके से सेव करना है. So that he taught me.
And you're following that?
I think I'm following that, and now I've done more. And then he said diversify. So now I've diversified, and then I started taking my own decisions. I think that was the biggest thing. As women, money decisions में अगर 4 लोगों से suggestion नहीं लिया ना, तब तक आपको confidence नहीं आता.
Making money from money is a skill. तो आप अभी making money from money कैसे कर रहे हो?
So now I have what I do now is whatever I'm earning. First of all, it's really diversified.
चलो 100 रुपए अगर आपके पास.
So it's basically again same thing. 10% is still play money. It still goes into whatever I want to invest in. I've invested in quite a few bits. So I invest in startups. I invest in, sometimes I feel people. Like मुझे लग रहा है कि यार ये कुछ बहुत ढंग का होने वाला है. I want to support this person, and I've done that a lot, and I've felt very happy about it also. Then there is gold. There'll be equity. There'll be a certain amount going into entirely stock
SIPs and stock markets.
SIPs, stock markets, all of that. Whenever there is a larger chunk, I and my brother collectively take properties. कर
So
दूंगी.
not unknown something आपने थोड़ा बहुत सीख लिया उसके बारे में.
So I have learned it from these people. And then what I did was I started looking into numbers.
Nice. Okay.
तो अब अगर मेरा कोई टूर है तो मैं PNL शीट मंगा के उसको देखूंगी. पहले मैं नहीं देखती थी एंड जो मुझे नहीं समझ पड़ रहा था मैं पूछना शुरू कर दिया. दिस हैपेंड 2-3 years ago. जो मेरी खुद की मंथली स्टेटमेंट्स आते हैं मैं देखना शुरू कर दिया उनको. मैंने बाइफरकेट करना शुरू कर दिया. इतने में अच्छा फूड का इतना खर्चा हो रहा है, अच्छा ये इसका खर्चा, अच्छा ये कम करो भाई, इतना क्यों खर्चा करो.
सबसे ज्यादा खर्चा किस पे हो रहा है?
टेक.
अच्छा.
Tech, it's crazy tech, man. That because as the life that we live, tech is the thing that we spend on. I think
Right.
tech is most expensive for me.
तो उसी में सबसे
It could be in my Magic because I want to get best mics that I use. So I carry my mics everywhere. Then उनके mic हो गया, फिर gadgets हो गए, आपके phones हो गए, मेरे shoot कर लिया, lights हो गए, music हो गया,
So
PCs हो
mainly it's
गए.
your tech stuff that goes.
Tech is, I think, the max. I am grateful from the people I have learned कि value करना बहुत जरूरी है. आप कितना भी कमा लो.
Too much.
And there is no problem.
Yeah.
Like आप करो खर्च, but you should know.
हम rapid fire करेंगे. ठीक है?
चलो, let's go.
Top 3 life lessons you wish you learned sooner.
So Steve Jobs, if you want to please everybody, sell ice creams. Every next level in life demands a different you. Okay. And 3, don't believe everything you think.
Top 3 best financial practices that you follow.
Saving every month, making sure all health insurances are in place. Like I ask myself, is it comfort or luxury?
Like that.
And identifying it and making sure you make a wise decision with your money.
Okay, which is the biggest brand deal that you've done?
I used to do my show, That's My Job.
Yeah.
I used to get sponsors for those shows. There
Brands
have been
for
multiple brands combined for one show.
Yeah,
I used to get paid well that time.
Top 3 best shows. आपके shows.
नहीं बहुत अच्छे shows थे. I remember I had given this presence on Indian Idol once, and I think it went on really well. It might sound very weird now, but I think मेरा पहला show. Because
always be
मैं बहुत
memorable.
छोटी थी यार.
Yeah.
But मैं आज जब उसके photos, videos देखती हूँ, मुझे लगता है भाई ये तो सही है. मैजिक का एक बहुत बड़ा कन्वेंशन होता है. इट्स द बिगेस्ट मैजिक कन्वेंशन इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड वहां पर आज तक किसी इंडियन ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया. मतलब इंडियंस का ये सपना है कि हम वहां तक पहुंच जाए.
हाँ.
ठीक है कि बस हम वो अटेंड करने को मिल जाए. I attended few years ago. So I was the first Indian to do that, and I was first female to headline.
Best tips to monetize content on YouTube.
So consistent raw, be authentic and raw so that people and brands associate with you. And third would be adaptable. Learn करो.
Yeah.
Don't just because you got numbers doesn't mean you know everything.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा learn करो, community understand करो, लोग कैसे चलते हैं. If you have to pay money to learn, also it's okay. लोगों से advices लेते रहो. YouTube भी आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाता है, you know. उनकी भी कमेंट तो उनसे भी सीखते रहो. So don't stop learning.
Can you tell me one myth about earning?
I think the myth के आप जब ऐसे conventional art form लेते हो तो उसमें पैसा नहीं है.
हाँ. That's actually the
कि
biggest
जादूगर
myth
लोग क्या
you've
कमाते
broken.
होंगे.
हाँ.
आप कमा सकते हो.
हाँ. If not mind reading, what would be your superpower?
But mind reading is not a superpower. You should always only know as much as the other person wants you to know.
Yeah.
If you know more,
It can be irritating.
फिर हम
to you.
single ही रह जाएंगे.
But these mentalist tricks, have you used them like in your business negotiation deals and all?
Oh yeah. Business पे तो 100%.
You have?
No, मतलब I would basically know when the other person will say a yes or a no. I would want to know कि मतलब what mood is the person coming from. It's so easy to be friends. Make somebody a friend of yours, you know, because you know कि क्या चल रहा है. तो you ask the right kind of question.
So you can like pre-prepare your next move because you know it's like chess.
Of course.
You mentioned that you asked your best friend to be a manager, and now of course you have so many people who work with you in your team. मुझे हमेशा लगता है that a male boss is very different from a female boss. I think both are equally credible because you've seen your dad be a boss throughout.
Yes.
Do you see yourself very different, or you've learned to replicate him?
I feel two things. I'm a mother one way, but because I'm brought up by my father, I also have that little shrewd thing in me, which is very important, I feel, which protects me as an artist and as a
Is that
boss.
the dhanda mentality?
Yes.
That is
I tell my people, मेरे को रील वेंसडे को चाहिए एडिट होकर. अब तुम दिन भर काम करो, काम मत करो, टिप लेने जाओ, किसी को कुंभ जाना है, किसी को गोवा जाओ, मेरे को वेंसडे को रील चाहिए. ठीक है. That is my simple funda. You will get what you want. You will get a good salary. You will get a lot of freedom because I feel we are creative people, and creative people को 9 to 5 में अटकाना is the worst thing.
Yeah.
I will not do that. I will not let my team also be in that position. At any point, I feel work has now started getting hampered. I will not take an extra week to fire them. It is very weird and everybody gets very shocked. कि how did you fire him? वो तो तेरा मतलब I'm like bro काम नहीं कर रहा था तो मैं क्या करूँ?
Yeah. Can you tell me something about me?
What do you want to
I
know?
don't know.
You're so
I'm
scared.
so scared.
I can't do it if you're scared. Like you just need to be comfortable. You need to
very
give me
comfy.
permission to reveal
You
it.
have all the permission.
What are you okay me revealing?
You can reveal a lot of stuff. Many people don't know that nobody
Do
knows.
people know who you're dating?
No.
Are you dating?
No.
You just got caught.
I was dating. You can talk about my first boyfriend or something.
I love this one. Your first?
My first boyfriend.
But have you told this information anywhere in the past?
First boyfriend, no.
So there's no one even over here that can tell me.
No.
Correct? It's only in your
Digital
mind.
media में भी नहीं है.
ठीक है. So just think about this name in your mind. No, don't be so rude. Just free up. It's okay. You're okay with me revealing
I am
it?
very okay
हाँ,
with you.
ठीक है. So think of the name of this boy in your mind. Think of the first letter, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. There are only six. 6 letters.
Yeah.
You thought of 6 in your mind.
Yes.
So 6 letters in your mind. Keep saying this name in your mind over and over again. So for example, if it is Suhani, it is not Suhani. You go like Suhani, 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 Suhani. Okay?
Okay.
In your mind, you have to go louder. Okay? In your mind. Rifshu, Rifshu, Rifshu is what you're thinking of. RIF, Rifshu.
Suhani. Oh my god. Honestly, I thought नहीं हो पाएगा.
यार भरोसा करो.
नहीं, I know you're so good, but I was like, ये नाम तो मतलब एक तो बहुत ही offbeat नाम है और किसी को नहीं पता तो like ये कैसे? See, this is why I believe in magic. People ask you, Suhani, is magic real or not? Do you have like a blanket statement?
Magic has to be real. But it depends on what kind of magic you're asking.
अच्छा.
What I do is an art form, but what you experience is magic. When you understand how things are happening, it is either science, either maths, either life happening to you.
Yeah.
There is an explanation to why something is happening.
Yeah.
But when you do not know how it is happening, it's magic.
It's magic. And what's next for you?
What's next for me? I'm focusing a lot on international. Because I realize Indian magic needs to reach international. एक टाइम था जब Indian magic rule कर रहा था वर्ल्ड पे और फिर वो धीरे धीरे डिमिनिश हो गया. एंड मैंने जब अभी एक्सप्लोर किया दुनिया में 2 सालों में तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ इंडिया के नाम पे आज भी लोग बाहर मैजिक बेच रहे हैं पर इंडियंस नहीं कर रहे वो चीज.
ऐसा.
So I felt very like a little hurt.
Yeah.
And I took it as like my responsibility. That is the journey. Like अब उधर ही कर रहे हैं. So even this year I'm doing an Australia tour, I'm doing a US tour, I'm doing a UK tour, and then I'm doing an India tour.
There's this one line that we always ask all the girl bosses who come here. It's a fill in the blank. Okay? A girl boss to you is dash. What are you thinking?
I am so glad nobody's a mind reader here.
Chavos. What are you thinking?
Let me find a better word for what I thought.
मैं काम में बताते.
She's a badass. I mean, let's keep it that way.
Clean word.
नहीं दूसरा कुछ था वो भी अच्छा कर दिया.
But she's a badass.
She's a badass. I don't think there's anyone more attractive than a woman, than a girl who's confident, who knows her thing,
Yeah.
and doesn't need anyone. You know, she's a badass.